I chose precision machining because I was given the opportunity to come here for an open house to help, and I really liked all the people here. They're all really nice.
If I were to give any advice to people looking for this trade, I'd say go for higher level math classes.
Don't let yourself get discouraged all because there aren't other girls there, because no matter what you do in life, it'll always be worth something, even if it's by yourself.
I already have a job. I work at CK Tool and Die, and I run CNC mills. I've been working there for 7 months now. They plan to do an apprenticeship with me, and I already have a grant, $5,000 in grant money for the online course, so that's already paid for. And yeah, it's pretty nice.
Hello, my name is Tyler Lingargis. I am a former graduate at Erie County Technical School. I started working at Conteen my junior year for co-op, and I worked all the way up through till 13 years now. I plan on continuing to stay with the company until I retire. The future of manufacturing is going to change dramatically in the next probably 10 years. Go into Erie County Technical School with an idea of what you want to go into, but be ready to change into something that's a lot more advanced than you thought you were going to get into.